Dylan.
Looks like he's pooping.
He might be. Hi! Look at that face.
Our child's psychotic.
Ah! Not sure how long Mommy can leave her leg up this high. Dylan. Dylan. Hi. What are you looking at? Dylan. Dylan. Ugh, Mommy's leg is tired. Okay, back up. Whoop.
He's looking at his shadow.
Dylan. He's got like that look in his eyes, like, yeah. Dylan. Oh, you're gonna fall.
He's on the bed. Can't think of anything softer.
He's gonna bash his face in my knee. Ah! Ah! Hey, Weeble Wobbles. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh, ready? Yeah, I can't get him to sit down. No. No biting my finger. Oh, oh. Here, why don't you use Mommy's leg again? There you go. Wow. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ow, that's my tummy. No. That's my knee. That's my tummy. No. Oh. You're done.